Guys, in this video I will show you how you can make flat world in Minecraft, and it really doesn't matter if you're using PS5, PS4, Xbox, Minecraft mobile or PC. Switch, the process will be pretty much similar, right? So first of all, what you need to do here is to open up Minecraft and then press play, and then you need to create new world here, then press create new world, and once you're here, then what you need to do here, you need to go to advanced, and on advanced what you need to do here is to the first option will be flat world, a completely flat world stretching into the distance. So select this option here, and once you do that, then press create, and then press proceed here, and when the world loads up, as you can see here, the world here is completely flat, right? So that's pretty much it, what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.